Hi, Vieira with stockmarketlive.tv. Welcome back. Well, today I'm very pleased to see Twilio at new all-time highs. This is according to our forecast shared with you, complimentary since day one IPO. You have it on the web as well as an article saying that Twilio on the very first day it was worth at least $45. So what we did ahead of earnings was to add Twilio to a conviction buying list, and today Twilio it is a stock already present in hundreds of portfolios worldwide, hedge fund managers and investors, wealth investors, and today you have a new all-time high in Twilio trading above $49. So why people they pay us? They pay us precisely for this same reason, uncanny stock forecast, things that no one believed in, and they see it happening. So they have seen it happening for 27 years consecutively, and that tells you about our track record comparing to everyone else in the industry. So I'm going to give you here several examples. You have Twilio. Twilio, I repeat, a company, a stock, and I recommend that you refer to the article and live forecast that you have on the web, on the website, which I'm going to show you here. This is the article, and the title is stockmarketlive.tv Twilio stock rating strong buy, and you have it here, the chart, the live stock chart, long strong buy, $25 average price, and you have here the video, 10 minutes longer, live Twilio stock forecast and price target. I will make you a millionaire. So it's very explicit, live Twilio stock forecast and price target. I will make you a millionaire. You just have to follow the guidance. No day trading, no need for day trading, no need to be following the markets 100% or full time, since most of our customers, in fact, they are not full-time traders, quite the opposite. Therefore, we make it happen for you, all right? So Twilio, $49.25. But since Twilio is just one mere example among thousands of them, today you have new all-time highs in Nvidia, stock trading above $61. Ahead of earnings, I made the call. So today you have new all-time highs in Nvidia, and this is the difference between someone that has been following our complementary market calls in Nvidia, and they made a lot of money by following my guidance, but someone as a subscriber, you had by far more information and therefore fully responsible to have 100% of your investment position since my upgrade to strong buy at $12.70. But this is not all. Today you also have new all-time highs in many stocks, and our stocks and my stocks, they are the single best performers in the stock market. Sina, one of the stocks that no one believed in, and we upgraded this company, Chinese, to strong buy, $35 within a matter of more or less 1 month. Shares of this company duplicated. Okay? So why they duplicated? Why everyone is buying today Twilio or Sina or those stocks that we upgraded here a long time ago? They are buying because these stocks, they were bought after the crash, when we covered the short positions, upgrading to strong buy after profiting from the crash. That was the case with Sina that we have been discussing here for years. We downgraded for the first time this stock, myself, at $137. Okay, so I upgraded to strong buy at $35 after betting on the crash in Sina. All right, the same situation happened, for example, with the case of Rackspace Hosting, or the case of other companies that I refer here as recently, as the case of Yelp, okay? So our investment philosophy, it is basically similar in every single case. We bet in the crash of these companies, they crash, all of those that I told you that they are going to crash, the case of Twitter and so on, and only then, after the crash, after we eliminated completely the risk, we upgrade, we reverse positions, and then obviously shares, they zoom to new all-time highs. For example, that was the case in the past years with Amazon. That is a very famous one. What is the difference between stockmarketlive.tv or myself? comparing, for example, with Goldman Sachs or Morgan Stanley? Well, is that Morgan Stanley, for example, had as conviction buying list a company as SunPower, and we said that SunPower was going to crash. So if you bought SunPower, you invested in SunPower according to Morgan Stanley forecast, price target $45, we downgraded SunPower to strong sell, and SunPower today it is a stock trading at $10 and a half, more or less. So that is the difference. That is the reason why people, they pay us comparing to these investment firms, which they don't have any credibility or track record. Other example, and I could go here through thousands of them, is the case, a famous one in 2016. We downgraded First Solar at $72, 74, when Goldman Sachs upgraded to strong buy, adding the company, the stock, to its conviction buying list with a price target of $100, and today First Solar is a stock trading at $39. So there is a huge difference between conviction buying list by myself, Vieira, or stockmarketlive.tv, comparing to these stock analysts, which, I repeat, they demonstrated in the past 2 decades they don't have any credibility whatsoever or any track record. And that is the difference, the reason why people, they pay us. So if you click here on the logo and you visit the first page of the website, you have here thousands of calls recorded live, obviously. And you have here a sentence which I believe to be very important, and normally I end up by reading it. The majority of individuals and companies offering advice are either incompetent, fraudulent, they lack talent, they charge unbelievable fees, and they have no track record. And in fact, my opinion, it is the same as Warren Buffett with regards to these matters. In the past 27 years, I never been involved in a scandal. No one has ever accused me of lack of talent. I think it's impossible. No one believed, for example, that Nvidia today to be a stock trading at $6 plus, or Twilio IPO, where you didn't have any past history whatsoever, will be trading today at $49 plus, complained about fees, and much less lousy performance. You have to refer to our track record comparing to anyone else in the industry. And the reason is that I'm the only one proving it live on the tape. So everything that we do, it is done in real time, live on the tape. Therefore, before evidence, no one can make wrong claims. With regards to the others, that is to say, with different opinions, and we always welcome people and investors with different opinions, and we respect them, my friends, forget about them, because here we take care about everything, all right? And that is the difference between stockmarketlive.tv, our service, and everyone else. We make it happen. Thank you.